Today we're going to be talking about our new VR SpecPAK. This uses Franklin Electric's VR series pumps. We've got standard features including 316 stainless steel headers. We have a redundant discharge pressure transducer. We have a thermal relief on the discharge side. We've included fork pockets for maneuverability, and we've condensed the footprint down to about 36 inches so we can get it through a 36-inch door.
One of the things that we're seeing in the market are trends of owners looking at reducing their non-revenue square footage. And by doing that, now design engineers are having to come up with solutions that now take up less space in mechanical rooms. So they're looking to manufacturers like us for unique solutions. The VR SpecPAK does have a reduced footprint. We also do have a product called the Inline SpecPAK, not shown here, but the Inline SpecPAK has what we call a zero footprint design. And it has a flow range of about 300 gallons a minute, 100 PSI boost, and it mounts on the wall or it can be suspended from a ceiling. So that gives you that zero footprint design, which is what some of these unique solutions that engineers are looking for.
So hydraulically, we've expanded our range to our 95 VR, which is about 2,400 gallons a minute if you went with a quadplex system. We've also used our Franklin Ceres X drives to control the motors. And then we are now building our own Franklin control panel that has a 7-inch touchscreen. We have a PLC. The software is designed by us, and this panel is built by us. It has a 100K SCCR rating. The 7-inch touchscreen comes pre-programmed, so it has all of the motor data in it. It's ready to go. The only thing you need to do when it gets onto the site is set your set point pressure and what pressure you want the system to wake up at when the pumps have gone to sleep.
We also, on the Inline SpecPAK, are using the same software, same programming, and virtually the same user interface. So once you've understood how to use one product, you can then take that knowledge and use a second product. So it gives you that same user experience and user interface between both Inline SpecPAK and VR SpecPAK.